off-roading in remote areas, having a full-size spare tire ensures you're fully prepared for any unexpected challenges. An accessory full-size spare kit is available to neatly secure a full-size tire, and your dealership can install the underlaying parts. The rear cargo floor opens to an underfloor cargo bin that perfectly fits the wheel. Roll the tire into place with the wheel face towards the center of the vehicle. Lay the Y-strap over the tire, making sure the straps are not twisted and laying flat across the whole tire. Buckle the strap and tug to make sure it's secure. Hook the cross strap to the tie-down near the front of the tire. Feed the cross strap through the ring on the Y-strap in an under then over pattern. Attach the hook to the rear cargo tie-down, making sure the strap isn't twisted. Then pull the adjuster until snug, and you're ready to go on your next adventure. When not in use, the components are stowed under the cargo floor, ready and available whenever you need them.